Crash Course, Michigan State, USA. Geo Location. Michigan is located in the Great Lakes and Midwestern regions of the United States. It is situated in the northern central part of the country and is bordered by 4 of the 5 Great Lakes, Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. It is also bordered by the states of Indiana, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Capital. The capital of Michigan is Lansing. Located in the southern part of the Lower Peninsula, Lansing serves as the political and administrative center of the state. Population. Michigan has an estimated population of approximately 10 million people as of 2021, making it the 10th most populous state in the United States. The state is known for its diverse population, with a mix of urban areas, suburban communities, and rural towns. Economy. Michigan has a diverse economy with a strong focus on manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, and research and development. The state is often referred to as the automotive capital of the world due to its historic ties to the automobile industry. Additionally, Michigan is a leading producer of agricultural products such as corn, soybeans, and dairy. The state's natural beauty and numerous recreational opportunities contribute to a thriving tourism industry. Education. Michigan boasts several prestigious universities and colleges, including the University of Michigan, Michigan State University, and Wayne State University. These institutions are known for their academic excellence and research contributions. The state places a strong emphasis on education and offers a wide range of educational opportunities for students of all ages. Brief history. Michigan has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Native American tribes, including the Ojibwe, Odawa, and Potawatomi, have inhabited the region for centuries. European exploration and settlement began in the 17th century, with French fur traders establishing the first permanent settlement in 1668. Michigan became a territory of the United States in 1805 and achieved statehood in 1837. The state played a significant role in the industrialization of the United States, particularly with the rise of the automotive industry. Cultures. Michigan's culture is shaped by its diverse population and rich history. The state has a vibrant arts scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and music festivals. The influence of Native American, French, British, and other immigrant communities can be seen in the cuisine, traditions, and cultural celebrations of Michigan. Additionally, the state's passion for sports, particularly football and basketball, unites communities and fosters a sense of camaraderie. Politics. Michigan has a diverse political landscape, with a mix of conservative and liberal viewpoints. The state has historically been a battleground in presidential elections and plays a significant role in shaping national politics. Michigan's political climate is influenced by its urban centers, suburban communities, and rural areas, each with its own unique priorities and concerns. Now, let's explore some interesting stories and examples that showcase the uniqueness of Michigan. 1. Henry Ford and the Automobile Revolution. Michigan is synonymous with the automotive industry, and its history is closely tied to the visionary entrepreneur Henry Ford. Ford's assembly line revolutionized manufacturing and made automobiles accessible to the masses. The Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn preserves this legacy and offers a glimpse into the development of the automobile and its impact on society. 2. Motown and the Sound of Detroit. Detroit, the largest city in Michigan, is known as the birthplace of Motown, a genre of soul music that became a cultural phenomenon. Artists like Stevie Wonder, Diana Ross, and Marvin Gaye launched their careers in the city, leaving a lasting impact on the music industry. The Motown Museum pays homage to this iconic era and showcases the history of Motown Records. 3. Mackinac Island and its timeless charm. Innak Island is a picturesque destination known for its quaint Victorian architecture and horse-drawn carriages. With no motorized vehicles allowed on the island, visitors can step back in time and enjoy the tranquility of a bygone era. The island is also home to the historic Grand Hotel, a stunning landmark that has welcomed guests since 1887. 4. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Located along the shores of Lake Superior, Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore is a natural wonderland. The colorful sandstone cliffs, beautiful beaches, and breathtaking waterfalls create a scenic paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Boat tours, hiking trails, and camping opportunities allow visitors to explore and appreciate the pristine beauty of the area. 5. The Detroit Institute of Arts. The Detroit Institute of Arts is one of the largest and most renowned art museums in the country. It houses an extensive collection of artwork from around the world, including pieces by famous artists such as Diego Rivera, Vincent van Gogh, and Claude Monet. The museum's stunning architecture and diverse exhibits make it a must-visit cultural destination. 6. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. Located along the eastern shore of Lake Michigan, Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore offers awe-inspiring views and outdoor adventures. The towering sand dunes, pristine beaches, and lush forests make it a paradise for hiking, swimming, and sandboarding. The scenic overlooks provide breathtaking vistas of the lake and surrounding landscapes. 7. The Henry Ford Estate. The Henry Ford Estate, located in Dearborn, was the home of Henry Ford and his wife, Clara Ford. The estate showcases the life and achievements of Henry Ford, including his innovative ideas and the development of Ford Motor Company. Visitors can explore the historic buildings and beautiful gardens while learning about Ford's impact on industry and society. 8. The Upper Peninsula. Michigan's Upper Peninsula, often referred to as the Up, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and outdoor recreation. It is home to stunning waterfalls, rugged cliffs, and pristine forests. The region offers opportunities for camping, fishing, hiking, and exploring the breathtaking wilderness. The iconic Mackinac Bridge connects the Upper Peninsula to the Lower Peninsula, providing a scenic drive and a symbol of Michigan's unity. 9. Frederick Meyer Gardens and Sculpture Park. Located in Grand Rapids, the Frederick Meyer Gardens and Sculpture Park is a botanical garden and outdoor art museum. It features a vast collection of sculptures by renowned artists, as well as beautiful gardens, water features, and a tropical conservatory. The park hosts concerts, exhibitions, and educational programs, making it a cultural hub for the community. 10. Tequamanon Falls State Park. Tequamanon Falls State Park, situated in the eastern part of the Upper Peninsula, is home to the magnificent Tequamanon Falls. The Upper Falls, with their amber-colored waters, are the largest waterfall east of the Mississippi River. The park offers hiking trails, camping areas, and scenic overlooks, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. 11. Holland's Tulip Time Festival. Holland, a city in western Michigan, hosts the annual Tulip Time Festival, a celebration of Dutch heritage and vibrant tulip gardens. The festival features parades, traditional Dutch dance performances, music, and delicious Dutch cuisine. The streets come alive with colorful tulips, and visitors can explore Windmill Island Gardens, which showcases a historic working windmill. 12. Isle Royale National Park. Located in Lake Superior, Isle Royale National Park is a remote wilderness retreat. Accessible only by boat or seaplane, the park offers a pristine environment for hiking, kayaking, and observing wildlife. The island is known for its population of moose and wolves, creating a unique ecosystem for nature lovers to explore. In summary, Michigan's unique blend of natural beauty, vibrant cities, cultural heritage, and historic landmarks make it a captivating destination for visitors. From the bustling city of Detroit to the serene shores of the Great Lakes, the state offers a diverse range of attractions and experiences for every traveler. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.